Hey guys, it's Lily, and welcome back to another simple tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Facebook without a password. So let's get started right away. So, let us just pretend I forgot my password or it's not working. Simply tap Forgotten Password over here. And then you can either enter in the phone number or the email that's connected to your Facebook account, and then tap Find Your Account. After that, you can also access your account if you have saved your contact information in your Messenger. If not, tap on Try Another Way, and you can send a code to the email address you just typed in, so tap Continue. And then go to your Gmail app and then open up that message from Facebook and then type that code in here. And then you can change your password. Just type in a strong password that you can remember, so let me just go ahead and do that. And now, unless you know you kind of forgot your password and it hasn't been hacked, you can always click Stay logged into this account on other devices. However, if you don't understand exactly why you can't log in and you know your password is correct, untick this, so that someone who does have your details, who is already logged in and maybe changed your password, doesn't have access to your Facebook account anymore, and now you can tap Continue, and then you will be logged in as usual. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more quick and simple tutorials like this one. If you guys have any questions about this tutorial, please let us know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and have a good day.